Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am flipping through 3 new sticker books from Mojo Jojo Plans. These released today at 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, and I will have my affiliate link and discount code for 10% off if you're interested in purchasing. I love using JoJo's books because their boxes, I use them all the time in my spreads. So if you're a planner, you definitely need to look into these. Even in my budgeting planner, I use them on my monthlies, and they're just my favorite. So I'm going to flip through these 3 new books that are going to be available. There's also going to be a restock of Black Boxes sticker book, so definitely check that out as well. Okay, so let's go into the first book. Actually, let me go through Winter Shapes. So this one is a 60-page sticker book. This one is going to be $34, and then these are 20-page sticker books. I'm sorry, 30-page sticker books, and they're going to be $20 for these. So this one's a little bit bigger, so let's flip through this one first. So Winter Shapes has 1,250 stickers in here, and these are going to be winter color, winter colors in here. So perfect for all the upcoming winter spreads. So we have red circles, and the bigger ones, the hexagons, hearts, and the diamonds and half circles. I liked these. These are like flowers is what I call them. Greens, and then we get into the blues. You get these 2 nice blues here. And the hexagons. Okay, and then is this a little different? Yeah, this one's a little darker. Let me show it. A little darker. Or not darker, lighter, lighter. This one's more gray tone of a blue, which is really pretty for some winter spreads. Okay, and I got these like more traditional Christmas colors. Green, it's pretty like ivory, and then the red. Ooh, these are fun. So this is like a holographic foil, kind of glittery, silver and gold. This would be nice for a New Year's spread. And then we have some pinks and purples. Valentine's. I always forget Valentine's is during winter. So we got some Valentine's colors here. Some lighter purple and greens. And then more blues. Got a nice light blue and a darker blue. Okay, then we have, ooh, these are pretty, the foiled green and red, and that ivory color. Okay, and that is the last page. All right, so that is Winter Shapes. Next is going to be Winter Boxes. This one has 895 stickers, and this is a 30-page sticker book. All right, so first page is the red boxes. The smaller ones. This one has some lines in the boxes. And then you get this nice sheet of functional stickers, checklists, bullet points, and headers, and little page flags. The next section is green. To kind of get all the boxes you would need for a spread. which is nice. Next is the blues. These are really seriously my go-tos when it comes to spreads, because I can just grab a book, especially if I'm doing a winter spread. I can just grab winter books and just pull colors from these books that'll work with whatever spread I'm doing. Here's more of the gray blue, blue-gray. Yeah, they're really, really nice to have on hand, super handy. And then we have the green and the ivory and the red. The smaller boxes. Okay, and then there's gonna be this little kind of like a oopsie sheet, because these didn't print out as dark as she wanted them to, so there's a little sheet to replace those if you're not able to use these here that are not as like easy to read. So she did include this little oopsie to fix that situation. Okay, so that's nice that she did that. All right, so that is winter boxes, and then we have winter boxes 2.0. Okay, first sheet has that fun glittery stickers here. You get some boxes with lines. And then again, here's another little oopsie sheet for these words here. Okay, ooh, that one's fun too, with the gold and silver foil, the glittery foil. Ooh, look at that one. So pretty. Here are the blues. And then the functional sheet here. And then we have the purple and green. And then the pink, purple, and red. And then the functional sheet here. Okay, so that is winter boxes 2.0, regular winter boxes, and winter shapes. Again, these are releasing today. Affiliate link is down in the description with my discount code if you're interested in purchasing. If you've never purchased from Jojo, if you don't have any box sticker books and you're new to planning, these are definitely pretty essential. I feel it's nice to have at least like a couple of these on hand to be able to pull from when you're making spreads, because I feel like boxes are very essential for any kind of spread that you're doing. So definitely check out Mojo Jojo Plans site so you can see all the other sticker books that are currently available right now to purchase. But yeah, these will be available later today. Well, depending on the time I put this, but they will be available at 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time to purchase if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching me flip through these books. You'll be seeing these for sure in some upcoming spreads. So yeah, thank you again for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.